It's toy in there.
How do you know?
That's my toy in there.
How do you know? Did you look?
Huh? I don't know. Huh?
Can you say your ABCs?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
Keep going.
Q, R, S, T, U, V.
W,
X, X, Y, and Z. So I have an hour here.
Where? Let's see.
Hour
Hold on.
here.
Go over there. Let me see. Let me show you
Show
the alley.
your alley.
Wait a second. I don't see it. Point at it. Can you point to it? What happened? Did you fall?
No, I pushed the wall and went hurt.
You
What?
what? The door.
The closet, dummy.
Go over there and pick yourself here.
So, do you know how to say, oh, happy birthday, by the way? How old?
I shouldn't open that.
Oh, how old are you today?
I'm 2 years old.
How many?
December.
How many?
December.
December what?
December.
Now you are today. Today you are.
No,
Today you are
no,
3
no.
years old. And can you say the ABC?
No.